Give it up, guys! You're not getting away! Pardon me?
With this!
Funky drummer.
They only recovered items from one truck? What a mess. Sorry, Angela. This is a deal breaker. No.
There goes our best hope for a big donor.
There's still the fundraising gala.
If we don't find that second truck, there is no exhibit. Without an exhibit, there is no gala. Without a gala, the museum will have to close.
That won't happen. I promise. Here.
This belonged to Clyde Stubblefield. Ooh! The original funky drummer. Do you know how often his rhythms were sampled? He was so influential. A direct line from funk to hip-hop. Thank you.
And don't worry, I'll find the rest of those items.
Thank you.
I should check in with Pete. Hey, bro, you have a sec?
Of course. Actually, Harry's calling. I have to take this. Catch up later?
Oh, sure, man. Later.
Hey, Pete.
I'm at EMF. No sign of Doc Connors yet, but I could use an extra set of eyes.
On my way. Have you heard anything from MJ? You said she's stopping by his house, right?
Nothing yet. She told me she'd call when she got there.
Let's hope he's just taking a sick day.
Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna check her office. Just come by when you can.
Don't scare me like that.
All right, folks. Updates on the trial of the century. The people of New York versus Norman Osborn. You remember Devil's Breath, how Mayor Norman was indirectly responsible for poisoning the city a couple years back? Well, his lawyers have slowed the march of justice down yet again with more delays. Our source inside the courtroom tells me they're bringing frivolous motions to prolong discovery. All love to my legal eagle friends, but some days you just gotta say it. Screw you, lawyers. All right, see you next time, kids.
Any sign of Connors?
Nothing yet.
It's MJ.
Bad news. Connors' house is crawling with hunters and the doctor's MIA. Good news. I think I know where to find him. Somewhere across the river. Maybe around.
Let's move. He's waiting. I'll get the gear.
Training with Sable paid off sooner than I'd hoped. A zoo. Connors has to be around here somewhere. I have to tell Pete.
The light. Where is that van?
Some kind of genome readout. They're trying to reactivate his reptile genes.
doctors in there. Looks like they've set up shop here.
Looks right. Hello. You know, I don't like being snuck up on.
Might get a better view from the roof.
You are in the wrong place, girl. I will put you down humanely. I'm coming for you.
Gotta split him up.
So many have tried to kill him. Human and beast. I don't believe it's possible.
You're right. Buried alive. Stand by. I'm investigating.
Where are you, Doc? What is that up there? Oh my God. Vulture. Did they... I need to find Connors.
Another night tainted by the silence of death. I wasn't sure I could clip his wings. Perhaps that would be my weakness, but... no. Not even that could save him.
He's dead. Phone. Connor's cell phone. Oh, please don't die. Harry, it's MJ. I'm at an abandoned zoo in Jersey. It's...
Please, don't. Please, you don't understand.
Let's get you out of there, Doc. They used a code to get in the cage, and Connor's shackles need that key. Just have to find them.
It's almost time. Craven is nearly ready.
It's good to hear.
Headed over to it. I'll find it.
All right, MJ. Learn a code. Steal some keys. You've done worse.
There we are.
That...
It's a total rewire.
Hey, what?
I need to get one of those. hunter with the keys went this way. Getting close. There. He's got the key. That camo field. I think I can hide behind it.
I know it sounds crazy, but I can feel them here with us.
If the spirits of the dead are so concerning, maybe you should...
Got the keys. Time to get out of here.
The stench of this city is dulling our senses.
More hunters.
We will have our victory, no matter the cost.
Key? Check. Now for that code.
Checking it out.
Okay. Just need the code for the gate.
Look who I found.
Checking it out.
Headed over to it.
The hunter with the code went toward the lion's den. So many torches. More hunters must be coming.
I'll find it. Sûrement en droite.
This looks right. The hunter who input that code has to be nearby.
Dreams about it. This one will be special. The hunt of a lifetime.
One day, with enough training, I aspire to be what he is.
If he gets what he hopes for tonight, we will have to take up his mantle.
I'll be ready when the time comes.
Must be preparing these for Craven.
I'm on it.
Nothing here.
The hunter with the code came this way. Where is she? Come on. Who doesn't write down their passwords? Simkarian. He called himself Mongoose. Mongoose. Maybe whoever that is knows the code. Just need to convince them I'm Vika. Some kind of ranking system. Looks like she's high ranking. Good to know. Radio designations. Let's find out who this Mongoose is. Garin. My trusty subordinate. Symkarian poetry. Must be her first language. Vegre, yo here. Her Symkarian is perfect. Hopefully mine is convincing. Alright, let's get that code. Come on, MJ. Your Symkarian is still good. Enough. Just answer.
Itvika, Vika, Manguznak.
Vika, petek vagy?
Garin, elegem van a hívásaidból. Hol vannak a kezülékhez kódok?
A kódok sorozata az információs táblán van. Tudhatnád?
Te pedig azt tudhatnád. Milyen hangon beszélhetsz velem. Ne hív többet, mert a fejedbe kerülhet.
That felt kinda nice. Alright, better move before he comes looking. Where's that whiteboard? There you are. Codes for the enclosure. All right, Connors. Let's get out of here. Sounds like Craven is on his way here. We have to get out of here. Fast.
I'm on it.
Tonight's a big night. Oh no. He didn't deserve this.
Dusk. 22 Celsius. To rest with a blade to the stem. This one was nearly something when faced with the Predator, though. He did not try to prove himself superior. He fought only to survive. It was vicious. Feral. Sincere. But
wait, shh.
You know this beast.
His name is Kurt Connors. He's a good man.
There are no good men. Only good prey.
Sorry we're late. Are you two all right?
Better better now.
There's a lab in the atrium. Might have a serum. I don't have much time. Then we'll buy you some. Right up the hill. That glass building. Please, hurry. We'll clear a path. Keep your heads down. Don't worry, Doc. Get into that lab. We're not turning tonight.
Hunters must have a death wish. First Tombstone, now the lizard.
Seems like they're just doing their boss's dirty work.
Their benefits must be crazy.
Now look who's joking at a bad time. You're learning. MJ, move ahead, but stay low.
Got it.
Got some hunters blocking our route.
They even brought some animals from home.
Guys, it's not looking good.
I can feel it. Please.
We're almost there, Doc. Focus on breathing.
Okay. Okay. Clear. Let's move.
Just a little further.
There's the lab.
You doing okay?
For now.
Not good. We gotta clear these guys out fast. Just hurry.
We won't let you ruin our Master's night.
What? You not enjoying this?
Right? No appreciation for plot twists these days.
Your boss is so impressive. Why isn't he out here fighting us?
You're a waste of his time.
Not yours.
Not a lot of self-esteem in this group. MJ, how are things looking?
Keep them busy.
We won't let you get hurt, sir. You'll be okay.
Please. I can't do this again. Spider-Man! I'm sorry. We need to hurry. Cages. Fire. Red hair. Dirt beneath my feet.
Hey, cover!
I can't do this. Get to work! We'll cover you! This, I can use this to make an antidote.
He's here.
I'm sorry.
As venomous as they say.
I got you. Come on. I'm gonna get you out of here.
This feels not great.
Just think. This'll definitely be your coolest scar.
Yeah.
MJ, I don't think... Am I breathing?
I'll kill you!
Harry!
Do it then!
Look out! I know. Shh. It's okay. Come on.
I can't see.
Focus, Pete. One foot in front of the other. Come on.
Sorry. I was always so busy.
Don't. Look, we're almost... Pete, talk to me. Almost there. Hang on. Hang on. Come on. Get up. Harry!
Pete?
Please stay with us.
Come on. Pete, come on, this is nothing. Remember in 5th grade when you... No. No, you gotta stay awake, buddy.
Pete!
No! What happened? I don't know. MJ, get him out of here. I'll handle this.
Oh, this is good! Carlos, you live!
Guess your boss needs better aim.
Get him
You are just what Craven has been searching for.
And I feel sorry for him.
Get back!
Opening fire!
MJ, I'm on my way.
What are you? Trek the lizard. The spider is mine.
Stop hovering. I'm fine. Maybe some water.
Water. On it.
So... the suit cured your...
Yeah.
Which means without it, you...
Yeah.
Okay. We gotta figure out how to get this back onto Harry. How did you give it to me?
I don't know, it just... sorta happened.
Okay. Let me try.
Pete, there's something in here.
Okay, not what I...
What the...
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Let me try it again. Come on. Come on. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do.
We need to find Dr. Connors. Except...
he's a drilling reptile right now.
Craven. The serum. He had it around his neck. That's what he used on Dr. Connors.
If we find that serum, we could analyze it, use the equipment here to engineer a cure.
And bring Dr. Connors back from the Land of the Lizard.
I'll start tracking down Craven.
He's probably already cleared out of that zoo by now.
Well, lucky for us. He left a piece of himself behind. There's this pawn shop